What up, YouTube? We're here today. I'm gonna show you how to make over your bike real quick. Maybe you're getting tired of the way it looks and it's time to change a couple things on it, like this bike right here. She's tired of the same old stuff that's on it, so we're gonna do a little thing. We're gonna change the chain, sprocket, headset, and the stem, and make it look a little different. Show you how to do that real quick.
As you all know or may not know, this is my bike.
It's time for a little change.
Who's feeling all the purple? Rainbow color. We're gonna make this bike flashy.
Come over here and show them the parts that we're gonna work with. Going with the Primo blue-black chain, Primo stem, Primo headset, and a Stranger sprocket, 28.
LA baby, what's up? We need to get that sunshine back, baby. We're missing it. We tired of being cold.
Chain is... Oh.
Chain fell apart.
No.
So just in case you guys are wondering why we're putting a new chain, it's because we're going bigger with the sprocket. Right now we have a 25 tooth and we're going to a 28 tooth. So every time you do that, you need a longer chain. So just remember that. For all you people that want to switch your sprocket, you gotta buy a chain too.
You don't have to if you got, maybe you might have the
Or
extra
unless you have
links.
extra links and then you have to add them on. But most people throw them away, or most people, their bike shop keeps them. And then
Which
you're
has happened to us a couple times. Okay, put the chain.
And then the pedals too, don't forget the pedals.
what's the difference between half link and regular?
It looks prettier.
The half link's supposed to be stronger and it's easier to get like the right size for the distance here.
And it's prettier.
Who all knows how to change a chain? Change a chain. she's looking sexy. Sick ass shoes.
Chain this crocodile.
Making nothing tight?
Oh yeah, let's throw the pedals on real quick.
That's the right?
Right.
Remember guys, when you're putting your pedals on, to put the right with the right and the left with the left. Most of the time it'll say it on the pedals. It's got a little R or a little left.
Little L for left.
A little L.
The left side.
So it makes it easy for you
Left side.
people that don't have an idea what to do on a bike.
So
Well, you can
now
help me.
for the next part of the makeover is the stem. We're gonna get rid of this S&M wheat stem here that we've been rocking for a couple years now. We're gonna go and move over to this Primo one with the Primo headset.
I did it, guys.
Now you gotta take it, we'll mess with this.
This spacer right here is no more needed.
Did that other check? Yeah, you need that piece.
Don't forget this little piece, guys. It's in here. It's got Primo right there, so make sure you got it facing the front. Oh yeah.
Here comes your stem. You're gonna put new spacers between all of them. See what it does now. Oh, you're gonna need another. Oh, let's try this one then.
This right here. It's not needed, guys.
You might be able to use this. Take that one. I'll go with this Primo.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I think so. So. Yeah.
Oh wow. This right here, I didn't even need to buy it.
No.
You're kidding me.
It's okay, I can use it in the future.
That's perfect now. Look at that.
God.
That is beautiful. Now, you want to use that one, your wheat stem, or you want to go black or S&M?
I'm gonna go black.
Yeah, go black. Too bad we couldn't find an anodized one. Huh.
Man, I'm glad we was able to use that tall one, huh?
I know. Is it good right there?
Go all the way down, just till it snugs.
No, I'm talking about the bars.
Oh yeah, I think so. It looks good. Yeah.
When you're putting these bolts in, guys, you want to do one, 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 one. Rotate. You don't want to put all one in first and then go to the next one. You gotta do.
Check them, make sure you like the distance too before you tighten it up too much.
Right there.
Okay, now you can give her a tighten down.
Because if you put them one bolt at a time, then guess what?
It won't pancake right.
Exactly. You want to tighten them down until you can't tighten them more. Until you can tighten them no more. You see?
It should go all the way down flush so it'll feel like she did it.
You see right there, guys? I'm already struggling. This one right here. Be careful not to strip your bolts. It's super easy to do that. That one's tight. That one's. Oh, that one's pretty tight.
Make sure your bar still spins softly. Because you miss bar spin. Once you get off of it. Oh yeah, perfect. You did awesome.
And there you go, guys.
There you go.
This
We
is how
went
you
from-
do a bike makeover.
Exactly. Went from the weed stem S&M to the Stranger. Oil slick, stem and headset. Look at that.
So,
Primo tires, Primo headset, Primo stem. Look at that. Oil slick colony. Bam, baby. Fit pedals. You know we can't forget the Fit Bike Co pedals. Oil slick. Woo, looking nice.
sexy.
And there it is, guys.
Just like that, guys. Take her off for a spin, and you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, the SNF Fifth Fam. Peace.
Later, guys.